The 2026 leisure travel van's Unity continues to be one of the most respected luxury camper vans in the North American RV market. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it combines premium craftsmanship, modern technology, and practical touring capabilities in a compact and easy-to-drive package. The exterior design remains elegant and contemporary, featuring smooth body lines, aerodynamic styling, and high-quality paint finishes. Its upscale appearance helps it stand out among other Class B+ motorhomes while maintaining a professional and refined look. Power comes from a turbocharged diesel engine supplied through the Sprinter platform. The engine delivers strong torque for highway cruising and mountain driving while maintaining respectable fuel efficiency for long-distance travelers. Driving comfort is one of the Unity's strongest attributes. The Sprinter chassis provides stable handling, responsive steering, and a comfortable ride that reduces fatigue during extended road trips. Advanced driver assistance technologies further improve confidence behind the wheel. Inside, the cabin showcases exceptional craftsmanship, premium materials, solid cabinetry, and carefully designed storage solutions create a luxurious atmosphere that feels more like a boutique apartment than a traditional camper van. The living area is spacious considering the vehicle's compact footprint. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior, making the space feel open and inviting throughout the day. The kitchen is well equipped with modern appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, cooktop, and ample countertop space. Meal preparation is convenient whether travelers are spending a weekend away or living on the road for extended periods. Sleeping accommodations are comfortable and versatile. Depending on the floor plan selected, owners can choose from Murphy beds, twin beds, or lounge configurations that maximize living space without sacrificing comfort. The bathroom design is impressive for a vehicle of this size. A separate shower, quality fixtures, and efficient use of available space provide a residential feel that many travelers appreciate during longer journeys. Storage capacity is thoughtfully integrated throughout the vehicle. Overhead cabinets, wardrobe space, exterior compartments, and hidden storage areas help keep belongings organized and accessible. Technology features receive meaningful updates for 2026. Modern touchscreen controls, connectivity options, USB charging ports, and advanced monitoring systems make it easy to manage both travel and camping functions. Climate control performance is another highlight. Efficient heating, air conditioning, and insulation systems help maintain a comfortable interior environment in a variety of weather conditions. The electrical system supports off-grid adventures with available solar panels, upgraded batteries, and power management solutions. These features allow travelers to spend more time away from traditional campground hookups. Safety remains a priority throughout the design. Multiple airbags, stability control systems, collision avoidance technologies, and structural engineering enhancements contribute to a secure travel experience. Overall, the 2026 leisure travel van's Unity camper van successfully blends luxury, practicality, and reliability into a compact touring vehicle. Its premium interior, efficient performance, advanced technology, and comfortable living spaces make it an excellent choice for couples and travelers seeking a high-end adventure vehicle.